Hi guys, today I'm gonna make some saltpeter from what I found in my garage. So don't try this at home. I'm trying to do it safely, taking very much safety precautions. I'm wearing fully protective clothing. I'm gonna be wearing this mask and acid gloves. So I'll explain it to you in a minute, but the gist of it is I mix an acid and a base together and I get potassium nitrate. So here I have a beaker in an ice bath because this can explode if I'm not careful with it. Okay, so I'll pour the water in and stir. Maybe it'll be a little cloudy, I don't know. So now the dangerous part. So I'm gonna first test it, make sure it's basic like it's supposed to be. So you test these by taking one of the strips and you align it with this. And we'll put it in. Turns a deep blue. So it is something
14 or so.
14 or so. So very basic. The most basic I can make it. So now we're gonna add in pretty concentrated nitric acid, a little bit at a time until it's neutral. This is the danger zone. Oh look, it sinks. It just sank. Give it a stir. And check pH. It is now pretty sure that's acidic. Crap.
You're pretty close to zero.
It's no, that's acidic.
No, zero isn't what's you put too
I
much
want it
acid
to be
in.
7.
Right, so you put too much acid in.
Okay guys, here it is. Crystalled out. Lots of crystals of potassium nitrate. I'm going to filter it and then I'll crush it. Then I'll store it and do some cool stuff with it. Okay, what's up guys? I'm gonna explain this now. So pretty much you got nitric acid and you got the potassium hydroxide. Both of these are known to be one of the strongest electrolytes and strongest acids and bases respectively in the world. Potassium hydroxide, one of the strongest base out there. Nitric acid, also one of the strongest acids out there. Both of these, if you mix them with water and then put your hand in, it will probably dissolve your hand. And when you dissolve both of these in water, they fully dissociate, meaning you get the anions and cations of each fully. So in solution, you'll have hydrogen, you'll have you got your nitrate ions, you got your potassium ions, and you got your hydroxide ions, right? And so when you mix this into solution, they're gonna bond, right? And it's pretty much a double replacement reaction. So you're gonna get your NO3 with your potassium, you're getting your H to your OH. You will create an arrow here, meaning it will create water and potassium nitrate, otherwise known as saltpeter. Okay, so, but it's going to be dissolved in the water because saltpeter can dissolve in water. So I'm going to boil off most of the water and then probably let the rest evaporate, leaving me pure KNO3 left over on a sheet. Then I'll add some sugar to it. And that works as a fuel for the potassium nitrate, meaning it will slowly but rather vigorously burn, meaning I can use it as a rocket fuel. To start off with, I'm going to burn it normally. So there's a few of that. Some more gas in. So as you can see, just kind of melts, no reaction. But if you add some sugar and mix it around, I'm going to add some of that. Then I will add 50-50 ratio to sugar. So if that much sugar
Nice precise measures.
It has to be around ratio. It doesn't really matter. Okay, light it on fire. Nice purple flame. It creates a lot of CO2 gas. Look at all the smoke. Maybe I'll make fireworks out of this one day. My parents will allow me to. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna try it out again. Hopefully this works. This time I have rudders and stuff, so hopefully it'll angle correctly. Unfortunately, my launch pad's kind of broken, so it's gonna shoot that way towards that house over there, but it won't get over there. Okay, backing up. Igniter in. Pressing.